So today we will see OLE concept in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, OLE, object linking and embedding object, allows you to embed or link object created in other applications such as Microsoft Excel or other OLE embedded programs into your AutoCAD. This feature can be used when you want to include non-CAD elements like spreadsheet documents or images within your AutoCAD drawing reference or documentation purpose. Here's how you can work with OLE object in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, an OLE object linking and embedding also allows you to embed or link objects created in other applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, or other OLE embedded programs into your AutoCAD drawing. This feature can be useful when you want to include elements like spreadsheets, documents, or images within your AutoCAD drawing for references documentation purposes. Here's how you can work with OLE objects in AutoCAD. Embedding an OLE object. Type the command insert OBJ in the AutoCAD command line and press enter. The dialog box will appear, allowing you to select the type of object you want to embed. Choose the appropriate option. Create new to, for example, create new to create an object or create from file to insert an existing file. Follow the prompts to specify the location and size of the object within your drawing. Edit an linked OLE object. Open the original file in its respective application. Make the necessary changes. AutoCAD will update linked object automatically the next time you open or re-render the drawing. OLE objects options. You can control various OLE objects options through the OLE scale, OLE quality, and OLE frame system variable. This option affects the appearance and behavior of OLE objects within AutoCAD. Once you have placed the OLE object, it becomes part of your AutoCAD drawing, and any changes to the embedded object won't affect the original file. Linking an OLE object. To link an OLE object, use the insert OBJ command as described above, but choose link when prompted. Specify the file you want to link and its insertion point. AutoCAD will create a reference to the external file, and any changes made to the original file will be reflected in the AutoCAD drawing. Editing OLE objects. And to edit an embedded OLE, double click on it within the AutoCAD drawing. This will open the object in the native application, for example, Word, Excel for editing. Managing OLE objects. You can use the attach option to attach OLE objects to the drawing. This method is similar to OLE command allows you to edit OLE objects, properties, and parameters. To remove OLE can handle for adding CAD contents to your drawings. They can also file size, and the linked objects may not always appear as expected if it's not available or if the file's path changes. Now we will see how to apply OLE object. First, this is the home tab in AutoCAD. Go in insert toolbar, go in OLE object, or type IO plus enter. This is how now we can create a new object. So create new. I want Microsoft Word document. Okay, now I can write anything which I want and save it, press and close it. Then this is how object is linked. This is how object link. If we want to edit, we can also edit it by clicking on it, and we can also edit, take a hold. Okay. Close. This how we can edit it. Now, if we want to create a new file, go in object, create from file option, browse. Now I have okay, okay, file which I have okay. Now this is the object get linked. I can also by double clicking on it. Control S, save. This is how object gets. We can link any object. These are the types of object we can link, like drawing, model, part, cat part, Katia part, or any Microsoft presentation, PowerPoint slide, anything we can image, anything we can link it over here. So OLE objects are